Despite repeated invitations coming from this committee, bakit ngayon ka lang nag-appear?
Your Honors, the first one was I was represented by my lawyers. The second one, Your Honors, we did not honestly receive the subpoena.
You did not?
We did not receive, Your Honors, the subpoena.
Okay, where are you connected right now?
I'm just doing my own business, Your Honor, private.
Okay, do you confirm that you were hired as a consultant?
Yes, Your Honor.
Of whom?
Of Hongxing, Your Honor, and Lucky South.
In Bamban Pogo?
Yes, Your
You're
Honor.
connected?
As an authorized representative
Porac.
at the time. Yes, Your Honors.
Also Porac?
Yes, Your Honor.
Lawag?
Lawag, Your Honors, was also requested by Lucky South, Your Honors.
Aside from these three Pogos, meron pa bang iba?
None, Your Honors.
Did you sign a contract with them?
No, Your Honors.
Ano yung duration ng services mo doon?
Just for their application for license, Your Honor. Contracted for that.
What initially attracted you to become involved in the Pogo industry?
We, honestly, Your Honors, we were not even in that line.
Excuse me?
We were not in that line.
You're not?
We're not in that line of work, Your Honors.
How did you become a consultant there?
When we were looking for a site office in Pampanga, Your Honors, because we were being asked to help one municipality in Central Luzon with their bid for cityhood, we got across these people in Lucky South at that time, and they were connected to us by the area where we were looking for the office, and they said they were trying to find somebody who can help them work on their applications. So we said we don't know what it's all about, and they said we can help them look into their documents and everything. We said we will check first if we can help you, and then we'll get back to you. So that's what we did first, sir. And then when we check on all these things, we did the research. We found a checklist from the website of PAGCOR, and we gave it to them. And we told them, this is just the checklist. Maybe you just have to comply, and then you're okay. And they said, can you help us comply? I said, I don't know how to do it, but if you know the documentation there, it's very easy. If you have all these requirements, I suppose we just put it together and then submit it. So that's what we did, Your Honors.
Okay. How much was your income or professional fee? Doon sa tatlong Pogo na nahawakan mo?
On a per work basis, Your Honors, we were they paid us based on man hours that we have. It's a man hour on a base of man hour consultancy work, sir. Parang based on an hour basis na dinivote namin, tapos yung milestones pag may natatapos ko.
Okay, specifically, magkano kinita mo ron sa Bamban Pogo?
Doon sa Bamban, sir.
Magkano yung consultancy fee mo dyan?
If we're not, sir, as we have reported, it's about 150,000, sir.
150,000
Pesos, sir.
per month?
Nung tinapos namin, sir, yung trabaho.
Ilan months ka nag-consultancy ron?
Mga 3 months siguro namin, sir, tinrabaho lahat yan hanggang 4 months, parang ganun.
As a consultant, ano ginagawa mo dun? You
Pinapakita,
prepare what?
sir, hindi
May
lang
kinakausap ka sa PAGCOR?
wala, sir. Ang nangyari, sir, meron sila kasing mga group nila. So, for example, yung nakikipag-usap sa amin, parang translator, pinapakita niya kung yun yung mga requirements nga na nakalagay doon. Kung yun nga yung SEC, kung yun nga yung kanilang organizational business plan, etc. So, nung tulungan namin sila, sir, ma-identify yun at yun nga yung kailangan nilang i-submit. Nagpa-assist sila kung pwedeng kami mag-submit sa Manila for them. That's why we were there.
Meron kang sariling consultancy firm?
Yes, sir.
So, meron kayo kontrata?
Hindi na kami, sir, nag-engage into a contract kasi sabi nila they cannot afford a full contract based on our consultancy.
Sino kausap mo doon sa Bamban Pogo?
Doon sa Bamban, sir, may a certain Vivi Chen.
What's the name?
Vivi Chen po.
Chinese?
Chinese po siya na translator.
Do you think she's related with Mayor Go?
I'm not aware, Your Honors, but she was the one coordinating with us.
Wala kayong kontrata?
Wala,
Nasulutan?
wala, wala.
Ano, verbal lang?
Ang nangyari, Your Honors, when they contracted us, we checked with the local government kung investor nga sa lugar nila yon, and then the mayor at that time verified and
Who
assured
was
us.
the mayor at the time?
Mayor John Feliciano, Your Honors, verified and told us that these are investors in his municipality and if they can be assisted.
Kailan ka pa nagtayo ng consultancy firm?
We started 2017, Your Honors.
2017?
Yes, Your Honors.
Alright. Dun sa Porac, how much were you paid?
Almost the same, Your Honors.
Almost the same.
Yes,
Sa
Your Honor.
Lawag.
Hindi ko kami lumayo.
Sino kausap mo sa Porac?
Yung sa Porac ko, Charlotte Sia, Your Honors.
Also a Chinese national?
Yes, Your Honors. And apparently her Chinese name is Han Gao. Parang Han Gao.
Lawag.
Sila rin po, Your Honors.
Sino sila?
Si Han Gao, dun sa...
Yung Sia?
Yes, Your Honors.
So, yung Porac tsaka Lawag, isa lang ang nagpapatakbo?
Yeah,
Am I correct?
Yung Lawag, Your Honors, hindi umandar.
Ano?
Hindi po umandar. Hindi
Sa Lawag, hindi umandar?
Hindi nag-operate, Your Honors.
Alright. So, hindi ka nabayaran doon? Walang...
I think they paid us 50,000 for having the license for that, Your Honors.
Okay,
If I'm
ano
not
naman yung
mistaken.
trabaho mo bilang consultant? Ikaw ba yung naglalakad ng papeles nila para sa permit? At ikaw ba marahil kumakausap sa mga government agencies bilang nakapag-establish ka na rin siguro ng mga contracts sa loob ng gobyerno?
Actually, Your Honors, it's more on reviewing their communications na nakakarating sa kanila para maintindihan ho nila kung tama nga o hindi. Tapos, we help them with their replies kung paano nila sasagutin, and then they're the ones who submitted.
Di ba para lumalabas na fixer ka?
I'm not fixing anything, Your Honors, because at that time also, if we can remember, Your Honors, during the times that all these documents, all these requirements were being worked out, we were under pandemic and we cannot even do any face-to-face with anybody, Your Honors, much of that.
Because according to the chairman of PAGCOR, si Chairman Tenko, during the previous Senate hearing, pinagkatiwalaan kayo ni Cassandra Lee Ong. Do you know her?
Yes, Your Honors.
At kayo raw ang authorized representative na pinagbigyan ng 6 months na buwis nila sa PAGCOR. Tama ba? How did you know Cassandra Leong?
She was one of the employees there, Your Honors,
Of?
Lucky South.
Na involved sa Pogo?
Yes, Your Honors.
Sa Porac to, no?
Yes, Your Honors.
Okay. What can you say about the statement of PAGCOR chair?
Your Honors,
Na kinubra mo ang pera na Lucky South 99?
we strongly deny that, Your Honors, because if
Hindi mo raw binayad sa PAGCOR?
even for the sake of arguments, Your Honors, if you will look at 6 months, 6 months is 150 per month, after $50,000 per month. That's not even supposed to be $500,000. That's supposed to be about $900,000. And when we parted ways with Lucky South, Your Honors, we parted ways well. I left them June of 2023 because at that time, after the meeting with PAGCOR, where they called for an executive meeting among Pogo operators, where I represented Lucky South at that time as an authorized representative, they already came out with the new guidelines. And the new guidelines specifically mentioned about authorized representative being already as liable as key officers.
If I may, SP Pro Temp, interject. Dagdag lang sa tanong ni SP Pro Temp.
Opo, ma'am.
Actually, iginigiit din ni Attorney Roque na tinakbo niyo yung pera ng Lucky South 99. Totoo po ba yon?
No, ma'am.
To ask a
No,
second
ma'am.
time?
Because up until now, ma'am, I just heard about it during the Senate hearing. Your Honor.
So, tinatanggi niyo rin yung sinabi ni Attorney Roque.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
are opposing what he said?
Yes, ma'am. Because up till now, ma'am, if I suppose that could have happened, there are only two things that will happen to me. Either I'm dead by now, or I might be dead by now with that amount, or two, I might have a court case already somewhere happening. But there's nothing of that effect, Madam Chair.
Attorney Roque, ginigiit niyo pa rin ba na tinakbo ni Mr. Cunanan yung pera ng Lucky South 99?
Hindi po nanggaling sa akin yan. Yan po isang ayon doon kay Cassie Ong. Kaya ko nga po siya
so si
sinamahan.
Cassie Leong ang
Siya
nagsabi,
po ang nagsabi.
na
Kaya
tinakbo
po-
ni Mr. Cunanan.
Oho. At ang totoo po niyan-
Teka po. So, si Cassie Leong ang ayon or nagsabi
Tama
na
po yan.
tinakbo ni Mr. Cunanan ang pera ni Cassie Leong sa Lucky South 99.
Hindi po niya pera, yung pambayad sa PAGCOR.
Of course, that's
ng
what I
Lucky
mean.
South.
So,
Opo.
tinakbo di umano ni Mr. Cunanan, yung binanggit din ni Mr. Cunanan ngayon lamang na 6 na buwang buwis ng Lucky South 99.
Yan po ay isang ayon kay Cassie Ong.
Yes, and therefore, sinamahan nyo siya sa PAGCOR. So, itatanong ko pa po yun mamaya. Yes, SP Pro Temp, you still have the floor.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Kailan na natapos yung serbisyo mo sa Pogo?
Yung technical work ho namin, Your Honors, immediately terminates upon issuance of their license. Tapos so,
When was this?
like yung sa Lucky South 2020 ho nila nakuha yung lisensya nila. Ang ganun din ho yung sa Hong Seng naman 2021 if I'm not mistaken no nakuha nila. 21. So, Your Honors, what happened is after that nire-request na lang ho nila ako kung wala meron silang sulat na natanggap once a month or every other month. They request that if I can visit them and read on the papers that they receive, and then they pay us on a man-hour basis.
So wala na kayong connection sa Pogo as early as 2022?
Yes, Your
Or
Honor.
2021?
Yes, Your Honor.
Eh, kung gayon,
Hindi-
bakit kayo nirereklamo noong July 2023 na hindi ninyo binabayad yung taxes ng Lucky South sa PAGCOR?
I have the same question, Your Honors.
Huh?
I have the same question, Your Honors.
What do you mean?
Hindi rin ko alam bakit. Most likely, it's part of what they want to do, Your Honor.
So anong
Sorry, SP Pro Temp. Most likely, it's part of what?
Yung operational, I don't know what they wanted to do, ma'am.
Thank you, Mr. Cunanan.
anong proof mo?
Yes.
Na nagbayad ka sa PAGCOR? Nagbayad ka ba sa PAGCOR?
Your Honors, hindi naman ho all the time ako na kapag ho hindi,
Pinagkatiwalaan nga sa yung pere.
pag yung nga kung sinasabi
Ni
nila,
Cassie
meron ho
Leong.
silang, pag meron ho silang hindi lang sila makapunta, but they were the ones who's paying, Your Honors. Pag hindi lang ho sila makapunta ng Manila and they need somebody to help them pay, then we assist them. But we do not handle it, Your
Pero ang
Honors.
sabi nga ni Cassandra Leong, na binigay daw sa yung pera, pero hindi mo nga binayad. Wala ka nang hinahawakan na Pogo ngayon?
Wala na po, Your Honors.
Ano, umalis ka lang o tinanggal ka ng mga kliyente mo?
I left, Your Honors.
Why did you leave?
Yun nga po, meron na pong bagong guidelines yung PAGCOR which requires the authorized representative to be as liable as the key officers. And we're not any part of their operations. We don't know what they're doing after. So it's not anymore tenable, Your Honors, to be part of such work.
Alright, going back to sa testimony ni Chairman Al, according to Cassie Leong, binigay sa iyo yung pera. So you deny it na binigay sa iyo yung pera at hindi mo binayad?
Yes, Your Honors. Yung lahat ng naging accountability namin, Your Honors, were properly documented. And
Kasi
it was,
sabi ni
it was submitted to them.
Cassandra Ong, binigay daw sa iyo yung pera, pero tinakbo mo raw yung
Wala.
pera, hindi mo raw binayad.
It's not true, Your Honors.
Ha?
It's not true, Your Honors. Everything that were entrusted to us were properly documented, Your Honors.
How did you know Cassandra Leong? How did you get to know her?
Your Honors, when they were talking to us, Miss Han Gao introduced her to me as one of the authorized representatives supposed to be. Siya, si Han Gao, yung Charlotte, at saka a certain Shang Ji, yung kanilang chairman. Nung hindi makarating yung Shang Ji, yung chairman nila dahil nasa Singapore at that time masabi nila, ako ang pinalito nila as authorized representative.
How did you know her?
Si
Sino
Char-
nagpakilala sa'yo?
Yung Charlotte Sia po, sir.
Sino si Charlotte Sia? Yung dalawang may-ari ng yung Porac.
Yeah, hindi sir, sa Porac po, tama. Sa Porac po siya na interpreter na apparently when I saw her sign the documents, she was the designated president at that time when she was signing documents for Lucky South. for their service provider contract.
Hindi kasi nagtataka ako, bakit bigla ka pumasok dito sa Pogo industry? Bakit naging masyadong attractive ka dito sa mga Pogo industry?
We were not really attracted, sir. What happened is we were looking for an office in Angeles at that time because we have a client who wanted us to help them with their cityhood campaign in Central Luzon. So maganda pong area, taga Pampanga rin po ako, maganda yung area ng Angeles for our operations. And then, itong mga to, inintroduce sa amin na investor nga po dun sa area kung saan kami tumitingin ng office, sa Porac. At sabi, they're looking for somebody who can help them work on things. So, dun ho nag-umpisa yun, sir.
Okay, during the duration ng ikaw ang consultant nito mga Pogo na ito, was there a time na nakapag-negotiate ka, nakapag-bargain ka sa Pagcor, halimbawa?
No, sir. I didn't even have any chance to go to...
Kasi kailangan ng lisensya ng Pagcor. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Hindi ka ba, wala ka bang kinakausap na tiga Pagcor?
OGLD lang
Para
po yung kausap.
expedite yung lisensya ng
Wala ko kaming
mga
ganun,
Pogo?
Your Honors. Kasi, ang kausap lang ho namin nun, security guard. Pag may kailangan kaming hingin na documents na nakukuha namin sa baba, sa
Security
ground floor.
guard?
Yes, Your Honors. Doon nila iniiwan. Kuwari, OGLD lang po yung kausap namin.
Bakit security guard?
Hindi, iniiwan ho nila sa security guard, Your Honors. Kasi may pandemic noon, bawal pumanik sa mga offices ng Pagcor. So, doon sa security guard sa baba, doon namin nire-receive lahat ng documents. So, doon din namin po pinapareceive yung mga documents.
Alright. Aware ka ba sa mga kasong final against you ng CIDG, ng PAOK?
Yes, Your Honors.
What is the status of cases?
We're waiting. We just received the complaint, Your Honors, and we're working on our affidavit on it.
Why do you think that they filed the cases against you?
There was actually, Your Honors, there's no allegation there. It was just mentioned that I was an authorized representative. When
Alright.
we applied
Are you
for-
Mr. Chair,
Yeah.
wala bang pending na kaso against Mr. Cunanan? Kasi alam ko meron din dating ban, hindi siya makaalis ng bansa. So, resolved na ba yun?
They are still ongoing, Madam Senator.
So, are you helping in a capacity as a lawyer, as a liaison to all of these companies? Are you a lawyer, sir?
No, Your Honors.
So ba't opisina mo ang nilapitan para mag...
Hindi ho nilapitan, Your Honors. Nagkatagpo kami ho dun sa lugar kung saan kami naghahanap ng office. Tapos nandun din sila, dun sila nag-invest. Dun
So,
sa
is your
report.
company a realty company? Is it a consulting company?
Consulting company, Your Honors.
I'm sorry, what?
Consulting po. Consulting company. Oh.
So,
Yun ho
it
talaga
seems
din
like
yun.
you tend to attract certain mindset and group of individuals. Anyway, thank you.
Thank you, Madam Senator Grace. Mr. Cunanan, are you the same Dennis Cunanan who was a former TLRC Director General?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have been sentenced by the Sandigan Bayan for graft to 10 to 18 years for malversation.
We have, Your Honors, which is still pending in the Supreme Court right now, but we have more acquittals that came out, Your Honors. out of
Excuse
that.
me?
We have more acquittals, Your Honors.
You were acquitted? Di ba you were
Yes, sir.
convicted?
Meron pong conviction at may acquittal.
Oh.
May 9 acquittals po, Your Honors.
Because, I cannot forget you. Alam mo bakit? During the time, or when I was my second term as senator, when I was already embattled, I attended a Blue Ribbon committee hearing, and you were present there. I remember very vividly. And you told that committee that I'm sorry, this is off topic already. Inaano ko lang yung credibility nitong taong ito.
All right, SP Pro Tem.
At sinabi mo, tinawagan kita. And nung tinatawagan kita, sinabi mo raw, I am endorsing an NGO para dun mo ilagay yung pondo ko. I have never called you and I do not know you from Adam. At ang sinabi mo rin sa committee noon, na na-recognize mo lang yung boses ko. Napakasinungaling mo. Naalala mo yun? Naalala mo yung sinabi mo? Na na-recognize mo lang yung boses ko? Hindi naman kita kilala, hindi naman kita tinawagan? Naalala mo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Tinawagan ba kita?
If I can recall at that
You
time,
just
Your
saved
Honor,
your skin.
No, Your Honors. If I can recall at that time, it was Ben Hurluy who called, not me.
It was?
It was Ben Hurluy, Your Honors, not me.
You said before that committee that it was my voice. You assumed that it was my voice. Kaya hindi kita makalimutan eh. Napakasinungaling mo. I'm sorry for bringing this up, Madam Chair. Tinetest ko lang yung credibility nitong taong ito eh. Mr. Cunanan, dalawang tao na nagsasabi dito sa committee nito. Isa yung member ng PAGCOR tsaka si Cassandra Leong na hindi mo nga binayad yung supposedly pera na dapat ibayad sa PAGCOR. At ikaw, dinideny mo naman talaga vehemently. Eh, dalawang tao na nagsasabi sa'yo eh. Tapos ikaw, nagsisinungaling ka pa, dinideny mo.
Your Honors, I cannot do what they mentioned with their statements, but I stand by that fact on my side. Plus, Your Honors, if in case I really did that, during the reapplication in September and October, Lucky South still communicated with our office requesting our assistance to help them with their PAGCOR reapplication. Because they said, because we left them already, and if they just wanted to make sure that their documents are properly documented and conveyed together. If in that situation, Your Honors, the fact stays, then I doubt they will even ask me to help them out with the review of their documents.
Palagay nyo po, sino po talaga ang pinaka-big boss ng mga POGO na to?
Most likely, Your Honors, yung sa mga, may mga Chinese group sila na parang mga boss na dumarating na magaganda yung sasakyan eh. So I suppose they're these people. In both camps, you know.
Magagandang sasakyan.
And we were not, I was not introduced to these people because apparently I was informed that they cannot speak Filipino or something, or English.
So, sinong nagta-translate or interpret para sa inyo?
Ito nga pong si Hangao, si Charlotte. Tapos nung umalis ho yan, may pumalit sa kanya.
Sino po?
Si Sarah. May Chinese name din po siya.
Ano yung Filipino name niya?
Sarah ho yung pangalan niya. Sarah Xu ang Filipino name niya.
Sarah Xu.
Yeah, SYU. And then she has a Chinese name, HUEI, Hui CIH.
HUEICIH.
Opo, yung Chinese name niya.
Hui Si or
Xi.
Hui Chi.
Opo.
Filipino po siya o Chino?
Chinese din po.
Chino
ma'am.
rin.
Oo. Na nakakapag-English.
Na marunong mag-Ingles.
Opo.